Yes, greetings everyone. My name is Oscar Kibet. So this video is for this group from VK. I noticed they have a lot of content as contains to basketry making. Now there has to be a better way of how to do the rattan rattan food charger plates. I noticed most people they take the cane. For example, they take the cane like this, yeah, and then they just they straight on start weaving up down up down up down. Now that is not a bad way of doing it, but today I want to show you the best way of doing it. One of the reasons why I don't do that is because after some time you'll realize, like for example, I tried using the same technique, yeah. Here you'll realize that there's a bump, there's a bump from here when you do that. Like when you place the cane under and the cane on top, there'll always be a bump. Now for us, we do it differently here. Now this is how we do it, and when you realize there's absolutely no bump here, because what we've done is that we've made holes from from the center, and then we pushed the cane out there, because when you see here it's around 6/6. That's what we usually do. So I'm going to demonstrate how we usually do it so that you can be able to have a clearer angle of what I'm trying to say. I'm not very good in live video shows, but I'll try to be as simple as possible, and I'll try to be as better as possible. Now, this is how we do it. You have the cane here, yeah? We don't place the cane like this and we start weaving. No, we don't do that. Because one of the challenges of doing that is you'll always have a bump here, So what we do, the same technique can be applied on tables. For those who are doing the round tables, you also do the round tables from cane, yeah? So what you do is very simple. Here, for example, we have our cane here, yeah? And then, this is the knife that I have. We usually dig in the middle, yeah? We dig in the middle, and then we cut it. We cut it to a certain amount, so that at least because we always use around 12 pieces of the cut cane. So here's what we do. We cut it like that, yeah. That's how we cut it. And then now we place the cane there. We place the cane there. Once we've placed the cane, that is when now we can start weaving. Now, when we are weaving, before we weave, we always use the 1mm cane, which is this size, so that the matting itself is really compact, because we don't want it having spaces. So we start with the 1mm, which is this one, yeah. Then after the 1mm, that is when we go to the 3mm. The 3mm is here. Now we use 3 types of cane. We have 1mm for this, 3mm, and the 4mm. Now the 4mm, now this one, this is what makes the framework. So that is how we do it. And when you look at, for example, when you look at our matting, yeah, there's a very big difference. The advantage with this matting is you can see it doesn't have spaces around, because we always try and make sure it is as tight as possible. One of the reasons why we make sure it is as tight as possible is because at least there it becomes harder and it lasts longer. But when you take, for instance, this one we use the normal means, like what I'm seeing people doing, This one, it has a lot of spaces, Even when I point the knife here, you can see it really has a lot of spaces, yeah. So this one was not properly done. This is the technique I was using to do the normal one, what people are really doing. So you can see it really has a lot of spaces. But when you compare with this, you know, there's a very big difference. You can see this other one is compact. So we always try and make sure our Rattan food charger plates, they don't have, you know, spaces. We always try and make sure they are as compact as possible. So anyway, once more, my name is Oscar Kibet. I really appreciate the engagement I'm getting from you people, and I would kindly urge, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. What you can also do, you can I'll try and put a link of our YouTube. I'm also trying to grow it. It's still brand new. At least we're almost reaching 2,000 subscribers. So thanks so much, and God bless. I'll see you in the next video.